You know, the one thing about being Big Smitty is you get to enjoy the finer things in life. In a hot tub, maybe wearing clothes, really good wine, middle of nowhere, yes, the finer things in life. That's what you get when you watch Big Smitty Riding. Hey, what's up, y'all? So real quick, this video is going to be a Goldwing specific video. Yeah, I know, not the most popular subject in the world, but I do talk about Max McAllister and Traxion, his company that does Goldwing stuff. There'll be a link down in the description where you can go look at the video that I'm talking about for the work that I did, and you can kind of look at what he has and what they do. He does a lot of other stuff, like with the door of your little cubby and stuff like that, and the little cubby fan and things, so you can check that out. So that's what this video is going to be about. But also I want to say thanks to everybody. The Mental Health Monday video that I made, I had a lot of people reach out to me and tell me thank you, and say, hey man, I've dealt with issues. Look, mental health is not a popular subject in the biker community, period. People don't like to talk about it. It's taboo in the biker community, and a lot of people have issues after they talk about it. Luckily for me, that video didn't get a ton of views, didn't expect it to, but what it did do was it opened conversation for people who needed to talk about it. Reach out to somebody. I'm always here. I'm not the best guy in the world, I'm just not, but I will answer any message you send me. People have messaged me. I know other people to talk to. Reach out and get help. Do what you need to do. But man, like I said, thanks for everybody for the Mental Health Monday, for your reactions. I hope you enjoyed this little Goldwing trick video thing I made, and I'll see you at the end. All right, what's up, y'all? So doing a little riding today, but and people ask me questions, different things about the Goldwing and about issues they have. One of the issues that Goldwing riders have is the gas cap. When I say the gas cap, you have the compartment that you have the push button to open your gas tank, because the gas tank is low, it's not a pipe. And people have that side door get locked or it gets jammed and they can't get to their gas cap. So if you go to watch Max McAllister from Traxion Dynamics, Max showed a way to do that. There's a lot of different ways. I know other guys who've just disabled the latch on the gas cap and done Velcro, which I'll kind of show you if you want to do that, how you can do that. But I'm going to show you what I did and what Max McAllister did. And it was real simple. It doesn't look bad to me. Some people think it looks like shit. I don't care. The issue that people have is that it never fails. If something's gonna fail on you, it's not gonna fail at the house. The shit fails 100 miles from the fucking house, 200 miles when you're on a road trip with your buddies, and all of a sudden you're at a gas station, you can't get gas, and you gotta figure shit out. So that's why we're gonna do this. I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do. Well, if you look right here, that little guy right there, see where I put those little dots there? In retrospect, it was scratched before I did this. I want to make that clear. I didn't do that scratch, but anyhow, okay, I did that scratch, but not doing this. So for you non-Goldwing riders, you push this button right here, it opens up, and now you have your button to push that pops your gas cap right there. Now what a lot of people do is they have removed this little locking mechanism right here. People have literally taken that thing out and they've put a piece of Velcro right here, and they just pull their gas cap up that way. If you look right there, there's your button. You just push the button and then bingo bango, there's your gas cap. So the problem with that is that sometimes this whole mechanism right here has been known to fail, and when it fails, you can't get gas because all of a sudden this locks or this mechanism fails for whatever reason, and this doesn't open. So a way to get around that is, if you look, so there's your button, or you can see the other side. What I did was I just very simply drilled into here, and I took one of these nifty little plugs, and you can buy these. My wife has got a million of these little plugs, right? We did them for my daughter's car, but they're plastic plugs, and they have some rubber grommets and stuff. But all I did was drill the hole right here in the same spot where the tank was, right? If you look at it, there's the button, there's this. What I do now is I take a little flathead screwdriver, pop this out, use that same screwdriver to stick in there, and bam, it'll pop this open. I mean, I could show you how to do it, but take my word, it's not hard to do. It literally took me about 5 minutes to do it. So some people are gonna be like, dude, that doesn't look that great. It's not that big a deal. You can find a flat one. I just got the one that has, this is the one I had at the house. It's the one that's got the little head on it. Same as what I just had in my pocket. Got the little head right there and all that good stuff. But it really easy to do. Simple stuff. Drill. I took a small drill bit, started, or pilot hole rather, and kind of made sure I was where I wanted to be as far as on top of my gas, the button for the gas cap. And then all I did was widen that hole out, pop this in, you're good to go. So I carry a little long, thin screwdriver with me. This just happens to be a Phillips head, but I also have a little flathead. It's just a small screwdriver. And I literally just, like I said, I take a flathead or my pocket knife, pop this out, literally take this and go boop, and push it, and you're able to pop it open. Again, what's funny is I left my key back here. So here's what's funny. If that key fob is back here, this won't work. Grab that key fob, stand with it right here. Now you see it works. Thing is, I made sure this is good and tight, because what I didn't want to do is I didn't want this to be not watertight. So I made sure it's good and tight against there. But like I said, it's an easy thing to do. Max McAllister's got a video on it. I didn't do the video, do the video of how I made it, because it was just so simple to go watch his video. This is a real simple mod to do so that you're not stuck 100 miles from the house, 200 miles from the house, and you can't freaking get gas. Now, I know somebody's gonna say, dude, Smitty, what if I don't want to drill a hole in my fucking plastic? What if I don't want to do that? Well, you don't have to. You can go take that latch piece out, put a piece of Velcro in there, and do all that stuff. There's more than one way to skin a cat. I just did it that way because I thought it was what would be easiest for me. Like I said, the dot, it doesn't look great. Don't get me wrong. I mean, it doesn't really take away from the looks of the bike. I mean, they're not the most gorgeous bikes in the world. I mean, I think it's a good looking bike personally, and other people think it's ugly as fuck, but I don't care what other people think. I'm happy with it. Hey y'all, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell icon so you get notifications when the shit show gets rolling again. Like I said, just a quick video on how to do the door for the gas cap. You know, I don't think it's the best looking mod in the world, but it was something that when I'm in the middle of nowhere and my shit gets stuck, that I can get gas. So I just don't want to be stuck in the middle of nowhere. I don't want anybody else stuck in the middle of nowhere. And if I can give you a quick tip to help you not be stuck, then that's what we'll do. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Sub numbers are 6,700, and that's pretty good when I hadn't made a lot of videos lately. Been slow on the videos, but I'm trying to get back to one a week right now, maybe more if we get the chance. So I appreciate all the people, the support, the people watching. I just want to say thank you very much. Now, I want you guys to have a great day. Let's try not to be assholes to each other, and I'll see y'all next time.